Good morning, my students. Today is March 25, 2021. There are connected 12 students of 4th grade. I'm here in the classroom. There are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So there are 15 plus 12. How much it is 15 plus 12? 15 más 12. How much it is? 27. Excellent, Robin. That's what I like it. Quickly, faster. Excellent. Thank you so much. So, there are 27, no? 27 students. So, last class, we were doing the English workshop, right? La clase pasada estábamos haciendo el taller de inglés, remember? So, let me tell you something. You have to put here your name and last name. Aquí donde dice estudiante, espero que todos hayan escrito nombre y apellido. Donde dice estudiante, nombre y apellido, porque eso es lo que me van a entregar a mí. Y yo debo identificarlos a ustedes. Esa es la manera como yo los identifico. Nombre y apellidos, queridos estudiantes. ¿Listo? Ahora. Now, we already did the first point, second point, and third point. Today, we are going to do the fourth point. Vamos a ver el punto número 4. What says 4 point? What activities do you like to do? Answer in English. ¿Qué actividades les gusta hacer? ¿Cómo deben de responder? ¿Cómo es la estructura para responder? How do we answer? For example, Miss Lilian Garcia, me, teacher Lilian Garcia, I like riding bicycle or riding bike. Pay attention to me. I like riding bike. Notemos que después de escribir I like, el siguiente verbo, en este caso es ride, va finalizado en ing. He's finishing in ing form. So every single activity that you like to do, you must be do it with the ing form.
¿Cómo así escribimos I like?
No sé, ¿a usted qué le gusta hacer? What do you like to do? Oh, how do you say that in English? I'm talking with Miguel Cortés. Miguel, how do we say jugar videojuegos in English? ¿Cómo dicen jugar videojuegos en inglés? Play video games. Excellent, Robin. Echeverry García. Excellent. Pay attention. Alejandro, pay attention to me. So, Miguel Cortés likes playing video games. So, I like, él debe responder de esta manera. I like playing. Miren que el siguiente verbo siempre va a ser terminado en ing. ing form. Play. I like playing video games. No, chicos. Eso es lo que cada uno de ustedes les gusta hacer. ¿A usted qué les gusta hacer? Video games. Sí, video games. Listo, I like playing video games. Miren que está terminado con ing. I like playing video games. I like riding bike. Yes, do you understand what I'm talking about? Yes, do you understand?
Soccer, entonces sería I like soccer.
I like
Soccer, profe, soccer.
Soccer.
and soccer. I like
Soccer.
playing
A mí me gusta jugar fútbol.
soccer. Yes. Miren que hay que terminar el siguiente verbo después de
O sea, que es
playing. Yes.
playing.
Profe, así.
For example, I like watching TV. I like dancing. I like cooking. I like swimming. I like playing. Yes, todo el siguiente verbo después de I like va finalizado en ing. It's finishing in ing form, okay? Mariana Morales, what activities do you like to do? ¿Qué actividades te gusta hacer? In English, please.
Teacher, a mí me gusta play big, dancing, prefiere watch TV.
So I like watching TV, I like playing, I like dancing. Acuérdate la estructura. I like y el siguiente verbo ing. Entonces, ¿cómo sería?
I like dancing, I like prefiere, I like
I
buy,
like playing Free Fire. I like playing Free Fire.
prefiere, I like watch TV.
I like watching TV. Okay, thank you so much, Mariana. Excellent job. Samuel, tell me, Alvis, what activities do you like to do? Mariana Rojas, tell me, what activities do you like to do?
And teacher, I like play computer, bank, sing.
Playing. Remember that the other verb is finishing in ing. Acuérdense que el segundo verbo después del like es terminado con ing. ¿Listo? Continue, please.
Yeah, and play with my brother, go with my mother, play with my father, and I is Korean with their family.
Okay, thank you so much, Mariana. Excellent. Dylan, tell me, what activities do you like to do?
Playing, I love playing. ¿Cómo se llama eso? No for speed, no wanted.
Fortnite.
Es que me confundo.
Don't worry.
Es que me confundo.
You are doing it very good. Lo hiciste muy bien.
Play, parque, island, play, ¿esto cómo me llama?
I like going out with my dad.
I
I like going out with my dad.
like going out with midnight.
Excellent. Very, very good. Thank you so much.
I like PC. I like play PC. ¿Qué diga? I like
Okay.
PC.
I think that you got it. I think that you got it. So thank you so much. Yo creo que entendiste muy bien. So thank you.
Bueno.
Thank you so much. Good job.
Ya no quiero más.
Thank you.
Otra
Thank you so much. So Mariana Abreu, tell me, what activities do you like to do?
Profesora, una pregunta es. I like playing Roblox. I like playing Five Nights at Freddy's.
Hey, very good. Thank you so much. Fergie, what activities do you like to do, Fergie Ariana, Valencia?
Me gusta island, play, island, reading book, island, paint. ¿Ya?
I like painting. Excellent. Okay, thank you so much, Fergie. So, don't forget to draw and paint. No se olviden de dibujar lo que les gusta hacer y colorearlo. Me lo entregan, chicos. You have to send it to me. Pero no es que me lo deben de enviar. Mañana lo pueden traer, por favor. Sí, señor. A ustedes sí me lo entregan hoy, por supuesto, los que están presenciales. Yes. So we finish, my students.